Imagine floating on air, feeling the gentle lift of the wind beneath you, as if you were a feather drifting effortlessly through the sky. Below, the majestic Swiss Alps spread out before you like a rumpled green carpet, a breathtaking tapestry of nature's finest work. The wind whispers in your ears, carrying the scent of pine and the distant tinkle of cowbells, a symphony of sounds that blend into a serene melody. This is the magic of paragliding in Switzerland, an experience that transcends mere sightseeing and becomes a breathtaking dance with nature. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or simply yearn for a new perspective, paragliding in Switzerland is an experience you won't soon forget. It's a journey that takes you beyond the postcard views, allowing you to feel the freedom of a bird soaring above it all. Embrace the adventure, let go of your fears, and take flight. The Swiss Alps await, ready to share their secrets with those who dare to soar above them. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling experiences and breathtaking journeys. Don't miss out on our next adventure. And don't forget to like this video if you found it inspiring. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Switzerland has earned its reputation as a top destination for paragliding, and for good reason. The country is a dream come true for those who seek the thrill of flight and the serenity of nature. With its majestic mountains and pristine landscapes, Switzerland offers an unparalleled experience for paragliders of all skill levels. The country's unique combination of breathtaking landscapes and world-class infrastructure makes it a haven for adventure seekers. From the moment you arrive, you are greeted by the stunning vistas of the Swiss Alps, which seem to stretch endlessly into the horizon. The sheer beauty of the landscape is enough to take your breath away, but it's the thrill of paragliding that truly captivates the soul. Towering peaks, carved by glaciers over millennia, provide the perfect launch pads for unforgettable flights. These natural wonders offer a unique perspective on the world below, allowing you to soar above the rugged terrain and experience the true essence of freedom. The feeling of launching from a high peak, with the wind in your face and the world at your feet, is nothing short of exhilarating. Imagine taking off from a mountaintop, the air crisp and clean, and feeling the rush of wind as you rise above the treetops. The sensation of gliding through the air, with the sun shining down and the landscape unfolding beneath you, is a memory that will stay with you forever. Each flight is a new adventure, offering a different perspective on the stunning Swiss scenery. Below, valleys unfold in a tapestry of green meadows, sparkling lakes, and picturesque villages. The contrast between the vibrant green of the meadows and the deep blue of the lakes creates a visual feast for the eyes. As you glide above, you can see the intricate patterns of the fields and the charming architecture of the villages, each one telling its own story. But Switzerland offers more than just stunning scenery. The country is also home to a vibrant paragliding community, with numerous events and competitions held throughout the year. These gatherings bring together enthusiasts from around the world, creating a sense of camaraderie and shared passion for the sport. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, you'll find a welcoming and supportive community in Switzerland. The country boasts a well-developed infrastructure for paragliding, with numerous reputable operators, experienced pilots, and well-maintained launch and landing sites. This ensures that you can focus on the joy of flying, knowing that your safety is in good hands. Many paragliding schools offer courses for all levels, from introductory lessons to advanced training, allowing you to improve your skills and gain confidence in the air. This ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for beginners and seasoned pros alike. The well-organized infrastructure means that you can easily find the right equipment and guidance, making your paragliding adventure as smooth and enjoyable as possible. The experienced instructors are always on hand to offer tips and support, helping you to make the most of your time in the air. Whether you dream of a tandem flight with a skilled pilot or yearn for the independence of solo soaring, Switzerland welcomes you with open arms and thermals. The choice is yours. Experience the thrill of flying with an expert by your side, or take the leap and explore the skies on your own. Either way, you'll be treated to some of the most breathtaking views in the world, making your paragliding adventure in Switzerland an unforgettable experience. Switzerland is blessed with an abundance of incredible paragliding locations, each offering a unique perspective on the country's diverse beauty. From the towering peaks of the Alps to the serene lakes nestled in the valleys, the Swiss landscape is a paragliding paradise. The combination of stunning natural beauty and excellent flying conditions makes Switzerland a top destination for paragliders from around the world. Interlaken, nestled between two shimmering lakes and framed by the majestic Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau peaks, is a paragliding mecca. The town's unique location offers unparalleled views and flying experiences. As you take off, the sight of the twin lakes, Thun and Brienz, glistening below, combined with the towering peaks of the Bernese Oberland, creates a breathtaking panorama. The thermals here are strong and reliable, making it a favorite spot for both novice and experienced paragliders. Imagine soaring above the turquoise waters, the snow-capped peaks reflected in their depths as you glide effortlessly on the thermals. The feeling of freedom and exhilaration is unmatched. The clear, crisp air, the stunning reflections, and the sense of weightlessness combine to create an unforgettable experience. Every turn and every glide offers a new perspective, a new view of the stunning landscape below. Zermatt, home to the iconic Matterhorn, offers an equally breathtaking experience. The Matterhorn, with its distinctive pyramid shape, is one of the most recognizable mountains in the world. Paragliding here is a unique experience, as you get to see this iconic peak from a completely different angle. The combination of the Matterhorn's dramatic silhouette and the surrounding alpine scenery makes for a truly spectacular flight. Picture yourself launching from a mountainside, the Matterhorn's pyramid peak piercing the sky above you, as you drift over glaciers and alpine meadows. The contrast between the rugged, icy glaciers and the lush green meadows below is striking. As you glide through the air, you can see the intricate details of the glaciers, the crevasses and ice formations, and the vibrant colors of the alpine flowers. It's a visual feast that will stay with you long after you've landed. Lucerne, with its charming old town and picturesque lake, provides a gentler introduction to paragliding. The town's medieval architecture, with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings, adds a unique charm to the paragliding experience. The lake, with its calm blue waters, provides a serene backdrop for your flight. The gentle thermals here make it an ideal spot for beginners or those looking for a more relaxed flight. Imagine floating above the city, the medieval architecture spread out below, the air filled with the sound of church bells. The view from above gives you a new appreciation for the town's beauty and history. The sight of the old town, with its distinctive towers and bridges, is truly enchanting. The sound of the church bells ringing in the distance adds to the magical atmosphere, creating a sense of timelessness and tranquility. Grindelwald, nestled at the foot of the Eiger's north face, is a haven for adrenaline junkies. The Eiger's north face is one of the most challenging and famous climbing routes in the world, and paragliding here offers a unique perspective on this iconic mountain. The dramatic cliffs and rugged terrain make for an exhilarating flight, with plenty of opportunities for thrilling maneuvers and breathtaking views. Imagine launching from a sheer cliff face, the ground dropping away beneath you as you soar alongside the Eiger's imposing wall. The sense of adventure and excitement is palpable. The sheer scale of the mountain, with its towering cliffs and deep valleys, is awe-inspiring. As you glide along the face of the Eiger, you can see the intricate details of the rock formations and the patches of snow clinging to the cliffs. It's a thrilling and unforgettable experience. Verbier, known for its challenging ski slopes in winter, transforms into a paragliding paradise in the summer. The town's high altitude and excellent flying conditions make it a popular destination for paragliders. The views from here are simply stunning, with the vast expanse of the Swiss Alps stretching out before you. The combination of the high peaks, deep valleys, and lush meadows creates a breathtaking panorama. Imagine taking off from a mountain peak, the vast expanse of the Swiss Alps stretching out before you as you ride the thermals to dizzying heights. The feeling of freedom and exhilaration is unmatched. The clear, crisp air, the stunning reflections, and the sense of weightlessness combine to create an unforgettable experience. Every turn and every glide offers a new perspective, a new view of the stunning landscape below. These are just a few of the many incredible locations Switzerland has to offer paragliding enthusiasts. Each location has its own unique charm and offers a different perspective on the Swiss landscape. Whether you're looking for a thrilling adventure or a more relaxed flight, there's a paragliding spot in Switzerland that's perfect for you. The combination of stunning natural beauty and excellent flying conditions makes Switzerland a top destination for paragliders from around the world. Each location promises a unique adventure, a chance to experience the beauty of the Swiss Alps from a whole new perspective. The variety of landscapes, from the towering peaks of the Alps to the serene lakes and charming towns, ensures that there's something for everyone. Whether you're an experienced paraglider or a beginner, the Swiss Alps offer an unforgettable paragliding experience. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my video. Hit the notification bell as well. Till I see you again, pack your gear, head to Switzerland, and get ready to soar above some of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. Thanks for watching.